What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and today I'm going to take you to the Tailgate Alaska Festival, which is one of my favorite festivals in the world, so let's go do it. Welcome to Truck House Live, baby. If you can't tell, I'm completely packed up, and I mean packed to the gills. I got both snow machines in the trailer, about 80 gallons of fuel, firewood, all kinds of stuff. The flamethrowers back there, whole bunch of food. I've got a sound system behind me, whole bunch of ski, snowboard, paragliding, speed flag gear. It's on. We're going to Tailgate Alaska, which is a festival that a couple of friends, Mark and Dustin, throw every year. Basically the first week of April every year is Tailgate Alaska. The festival is held out in Thompson Pass in the middle of nowhere, and it's totally up to you, fully self-sustained. You get out there, you provide your shelter, food, water, you name it, and you just hang out with each other in the parking lot at night and camp out. In the daytime, you go ski and snow machine in the most epic backcountry in the world, in my opinion. So that's what we're doing. I'm here at the car wash right now. We're gonna clean this house off one last time, get the road grime off, and then go hit the highway. We just filled up with diesel and premium gas for the snow machine. I think I've literally spent about $350 in fuel so far this trip. I got off work in Anchorage, and I'm driving from Anchorage up to Thompson Pass tonight. I'm gonna see if I can make it tonight. It's not too bad in a car in the summertime, but it takes about, let's say, a solid 7 hours with the truck house and a trailer in tow, just because it's, I don't know, winter conditions. Even though it's not too bad right now, it's really dry. Anyway, it's an absolutely beautiful day out, as you can tell. Gorgeous drive, and I'm really hoping the weather's gonna treat me well out here. I'm basically going to be in Thompson Pass for 10 days straight, weekend to weekend, which is how long Tailgate lasts. And I'm hoping the weather's good this time. I've heard the snow's good. Hopefully the weather will be good with it while I'm out there, so we'll see. I'm probably gonna make more than one video of this Thompson Pass Tailgate Alaska trip, just because I'm gonna have a lot of cool footage and there's gonna be a lot of cool stuff going on. And I can't cover it all in one video. Thompson Pass is about 30 miles from Valdez, so 240 miles to Valdez, if you do the math. Some of you guys might know this about me, but when I'm doing all these really long drives, these long road trips, I actually don't listen to the radio too much. I don't listen to music. I don't listen to podcasts. My brain just completely entertains itself, and it's just nice to reflect on life and think about things and think of ideas. And I feel like I create a lot of things in my life out of being able to think for a long time, like I do in road trip. I really enjoy long, quiet drives by myself. Probably sounds cheesy, but it's true. And one thing I thought about, since I'm not listening to music and just thinking, I started thinking about why I enjoy YouTube and why it's been sustainable, because I've been doing it for a long time, since 2007. I've been making YouTube videos the last 2 years, seriously, but I've been on the platform forever, and I've been posting a lot of videos since basically the pandemic. I was just thinking for a second of why I'm not burning out on it, because I've seen a lot of people burn out doing YouTube and feeling pressure to make videos, and I just realized that I just love sharing, honestly. I've always enjoyed sharing experiences with people. It's like just one of my favorite things, whether it's taking a new kayaker out and watching them paddle whitewater their first time and that look of terror on their face or the look of joy. I live vicariously through their experience, and it gets me excited for them. And I've always kind of taught stuff my whole life. I've taught skiing, I've taught snowboarding, I've taught kayaking, I've taught pack rafting, I've taught outdoor classes. So I've always enjoyed sharing my experience with other people. And I feel like YouTube is just a great platform to get your experiences out there, get your knowledge out there, to inspire people, to encourage people to get out there and just live their best life. And it also, it's just fun. I just enjoy it. I enjoy the whole creative process. I enjoy filming and editing, and obviously enjoy the adventures I'm going on. I'm not doing these adventures for YouTube. This is what I do. But it's fun to film them too. I enjoy it. I don't know. Anyway, those are my YouTube thoughts. Continue onward. We're getting close to Thompson Pass. Still got a little ways, maybe an hour. Be there about midnight. Good morning, everybody. We woke up in the mountains. I had to stop last night, didn't quite make it, so we're gonna roll down the road and hit Tailgate. Let's go. We're here at Tailgate. There's Dustin's ride right there. He's over here doing business like a madman. I tell you what, if you've never organized a festival, then you don't know. It's insane. It's crazy. Even a small thing, or seemingly small like this, is a huge amount of effort. Even like just a thing like setting up the tent. They've got to set up these military tents. It's like no directions. Half of it's a guessing game. It's pretty crazy. And that's just one thing. There's porta potties and vendors and permits. They have to plow this parking lot. It gets crazy. So Dustin's over there dealing with that. I'm gonna pull in here and get set up and see if I can help him out a little bit, because I think he needs it. Ooh, man. The sky's actually kind of popping a little bit. Here's our official trailer. Pretty sweet. These are the mountains you get up into, and all these are literally right there. All up in there. It's pretty sweet. Can't tell now because it's kind of cloudy, but these gullies, like Gully 3 here, you can hop up and over that, and then it brings you out these big glacial valleys that you can't see because these mountains are in the way, but it's insane. It's super cool. All right. Dustin's gonna clear us a spot pretty much right up front, in front of the party. That way we can set up our party and we'll have like an indoor and outdoor party. Should be pretty fun. Here we go. All right, people starting to roll in. Got camp all set up. Gonna start unloading stuff. Ready to go. So I think we're gonna set up the fire pit, flamethrower, and lights, and all this, and turn this into like a little area up in here. It'd be sweet. Anyway, let's get her done. Let's get that flamethrower out first. See the flamethrower up in the hill? We're gonna have that little homemade propane fire pit I built over in here, and set up sound system under here and some lasers. It's gonna be sweet. No joke, this is one of the best burritos I've ever had. It's super good. The hungry deckhand right there. Legit. Super good steak breakfast burrito. Get everything hooked up. Oh, let's give it a test. All set up. guys can hear this because the wind is ripping up here right now. Oh, it's bedtime. It's bedtime. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. Had a super fun night. Seeing a bunch of friends I haven't seen in a long time. Make the bed and we're done. Super fun first night. Tomorrow we're gonna go hit it and take you guys in the backcountry. So see you in the morning. Well, that's a wrap, y'all. Stay tuned for the next video in this Tailgate Festival series where we take you out in the mountains. And we'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace, y'all.